Now Golang. Let's understand Go language Dockerfile and compare it with the Node.js Dockerfile. We move from thick or heavy runtime to a nearly empty one. Go compiles everything into a single cell-contained binary. This also has two stages. That means it is also a multi-stage build. Now let's compare it with the Node.js Dockerfile approach. What same multi-stage pattern, both are split into a builder and runtime stages. Builder stage installs dependencies. In Node it is npm install. In Go that is go mod download. Copy source code. Both bring in the app code after dependencies. Runtime stage is minimal. In Node has nodejs slim. Go has scratch, literally empty, or alpine if we need certification. Certain if we need shell or certs. CMD defines entry point. Node runs on node server.js. Go runs the compiled binary. So what's different between Node.js and Go language Dockerfiles? The concept. Language type Node.js is interpreted whereas Go is compiled. Dependencies in Node.js npm install, that is node modules, whereas in Go it is go mod download for vendor modules. Build step in Node.js it is none. Runtime interprets JavaScript. Go language Go build produces a static binary. Runtime image in Node.js, no, it needs node runtime, that is node 18 slim. In Go language, it can be scratch or no runtime at all because binary is self-contained. Output artifact in Node.js, it is app plus node underscore modules. In Go language, it is single binary main. CMD in Node.js, CMD is node server.js, whereas in Go, it is /main. Now let's understand the summary of Go language Dockerfile. We can think of Go's Dockerfile as npm install plus build, that is copy binary to run the binary. That is first npm install plus build, then copying the binary, then running that binary. The big difference is Go doesn't need a runtime image like Node or Python. That is like an interpreter. Go is a compiler language. Once compiled, the binary is self-sufficient, so the final image can be scratch, literally empty, except for our binary. This makes Go images tiny and fast compared to Node or Python, which always needs their runtime present. If we know the Node, we know that stage 1 was builder, that feels like the same, installs dependencies, installing the dependencies, copying the code, preparing the artifacts. Stage 2, that was runtime, that is radically simple. Instead of carrying a runtime plus dependencies, we just ship one binary. That was about Go language Dockerfile and comparing it with Node.js Dockerfile.